What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Learning 101. It's just after noon. It's March 22nd. It's Money Monday. We had a great morning today, guys. Awesome morning. So many opportunities that set up and just kept producing and producing. The number one stock that everybody has their eyes on, JFIN, TKAT, OCG, SPRT, JFIN. It looked like it was going to exhaust itself, but this thing's pushing up to 1250 now. I'd be cautious on that one. We were calling out JFIN before it even pushed over $8. This morning, I was telling everybody in the pre-market prep, JFIN was the top mover a few days ago, and it's setting up for the mid-candle breakout. The day after its first big move, it pulled back, consolidated. Next day, we get that rip from 750s all the way up to almost $13. Just an epic move on this. I traded JFIN a few times. I'm up just over 3K on JFIN. Total on the day, I'm up almost $8,000. This is a real account. This is not a sim account. I had somebody recently just comment on one of my videos that I'm trading with a simulated account. If this was a simulated account on Thinkorswim, it would tell you at the top left, top right, that it's a paper trading account. This is all legit, real. I've been doing this for over 6 years. And this is what we do at Trading Learning 101. We get that money. Pretty much everybody in chat destroyed it today. Great job to you guys. We went into the pre-market prep. We put together a plan. We pulled up all the stocks that interest us. We got pumped. We let the market open. We waited for opportunity to come. And when it presented itself, we attacked. JFIN was our number one watch. Pull up the Discord here. So we have a few guys that just killed it today. Hawk Driver, Shadaw, congratulations to you. One of our members is on a 12 straight green streak. 12 straight days they have been green. That's amazing. That's an achievement to be proud of. You earned that. You study, show up every day. All that hard work is going to pay off. And it's showing with being green 12 consecutive days. Not a lot of people can do that. So be proud of yourself for that. See, we got K-Man making 314 bucks today. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I think I'm out for the day. Since I'm new, I'm not giving this back. Not bad for 1.5 hours worth of work. Thanks all, especially Wolf, on the JFIN call. I'll be watching and learning here, though. Awesome job. 314 bucks an hour and a half. That's pretty much 150 bucks an hour you're making. That's insane. Insane. I know Hawk Driver killed it as well. He posted he was up almost $1,000. Hard to keep going through here and seeing it all not mapped out. Wolf also GOAT, greatest of all time. Just showing up every day. You see the same thing over and over. Paper cuts making $350. Awesome. Let me scroll up here just a bit. Right here today at 9:40 a.m. I said JFIN over 8. That is the trigger. We were stalking it. Stalking it. Let's go. Right 5 minutes before the market opened. Keep an eye on JFIN. And then everybody waited and waited, and the opportunity presented itself. Boom. JFIN. Gear up here. It's looking great. Money. That's what we do. One trade pays for the ultimate pass, and you still have profit to eat and live. Wow. Nice call out, Wolf. Woof, 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 woof. Lock in those profits, guys. Greedy pigs get slaughtered. So JFIN had 1.3 million in volume versus SPRT had 133 million in volume. And look at how much easier JFIN was compared to SPRT. When you have these overcrowded stocks like SPRT, it just leads to randomness. Look at that. SPRT gapping up. Morning sell-off from 850 down to 680s. Rips all the way up to 950. Then it's just fading off back down. Versus JFIN, nothing really going on. Hanging around, which I like to call lingering around. And I said $8 is going to be that trigger. Sure enough, starts to perk up to 8, up over 8, the previous day's clothesline. Volume starts showing up. More and more volume comes into it. We're early to the party, so we're comfortable holding on to our position while all this volume starts to realize what's going on with JFIN. They chase after it. That demand hits like a lightning bolt and skyrockets into a halt right underneath $10. And this thing just kept going and going all the way up to $11, $12. Nice pullback. Rips all the way back up to a new high of day. Double tops, triple tops up at $12.50. Awesome day today, guys. You guys killed it for sure. So every morning, starting at 8:30, scroll down all the way right here, pre-market prep. Starting at 8:30, I'm going to start streaming my Trade Ideas gap scanners. You're going to see what's gapping up, what's gapping down, stocks that are hitting the scanners, and then starting at 8:50 to 9:20, half an hour before the market opens, we're going to do a pre-market prep. Going to hop on. We're going to go over all the stocks that are gapping up, what's in play, what are my thoughts, develop a game plan, get each other hyped up, and then 10 minutes before the market opens, we'll jump into the weekly chat. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, depending on what day it is. This is going to be for Wolfpack Ultimate Pass members only. So first day, we had plans on JFIN. We were keeping TKAT on watch for that squeeze up over $30. And it finally happened. Stock moves from 26 all the way up to almost $40. That's a $14 move. All within the first hour and a half of the day. That's crazy. That's life-changing moves right there. Same thing with OCG. OCG and TKAT, they're moving in sympathy of each other, but TKAT is the leader. Whatever TKAT does, OCG will follow. IMTE was following there for a moment, but it looks like it's starting to fade out and fall off. So IMTE, till it can cross back up over $7, which I kind of doubt, it's out of the picture. CLVS, this was a top play Friday. So Friday, I was watching you guys in chat. You were talking about this and anticipating it for it to break up higher over $9 to that mental $10. Have to think Fridays are the hardest days to trade, period. Every second, every minute that goes by, you're losing more and more and more volume. Day traders under the PDT rule, they run out of day trades. It's Friday. They used it all Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. A lot of people like to go cash into the weekend because any random event could happen. Let's say a war breaks out, or the president gets sick, or the CEO of the company gets into a drunk driving DUI accident. Random things out of your control can happen. That's a long weekend to have a position, and then it's going to ruin your weekend, and it's going to be on your mind all weekend. So people just rather take the stress-free way, go cash into the weekend. So they sell their positions, take a loss, take their wins, whatever, and then go off and enjoy their weekend with their family. Big money goes off to their weekend home, their getaway, goes on vacation with the family. Shorts don't like holding positions over the weekend. Little stuff like that, thinking about stuff like that, will separate you from the rest. I'm not in this to gamble. So holding a stock a day before the earnings and saying, I hope they put good earnings out for this stock to gap up, that's the whole wrong route to go about. It's all about risk management. So CLVS, pre-market prep, we said, let's see if this can hold $7. If it holds up above 7, it's still in play. What happens? This market opens, it dips right down to $7.11. From that, it rips all the way up just over 8, pulls back to $7.50, and gives you another chance for a 50-cent scalp up to $8. Pulls back to $8.75 pretty much, back up to 8, so it failed $8 now 3 times. It's not looking good. So the more times a stock runs into resistance, people are just going to give up on the stock. They're going to lose hope. They're going to lose, they're going to get stuck. You're going to run into bag holders, which causes the stock from breaking up higher. Remember, high of day breakouts fail majority of the time, guys. All these gurus out here with these low float stocks, they're telling you to chase after high of day breaks, new 52-week highs. They fail majority of the time. They really do. You're going to find a lot more success in buying bounce plays and reversals. It's all about how you perceive and view the market. Every person views and has different beliefs about the stock market. We're dropping a whole bunch of knowledge bombs today, guys. That's what we do here. Every single day in chat, we're out here on that hustle, on that grind. You know you're doing something right when you start having haters comment on your videos, disliking your videos, comment and just hate. You know you're doing something right. Why? Because haters like to hate. People do not like seeing other people doing better than them or achieving success. So they feel like they have to rip that person back down to their level. It's human nature. This is why bullying always happens in schools. And that's the honest truth. Just spit in that fire. Alright, so CLVS, it still is in play though. I would say if it drops down below 750, it's done for. 750, $7. That $8 is a magic level. That's the trigger level. That's where all the shorts are shorting at. That's where they're putting their risk. The previous day's clothesline. Everything is aligning at $8. So that's the trigger point. If it gets up above that, this thing could run up to $8.50, $9, $10. So keep it on watch. JFIN. It's still lingering around, but if you look back on what this did, look at how scary this stock is. From 1371, one candle all the way down to 1130. So from 1350 down to 1150. That's like a $2 death candle right there. From 11 down to 960, that's a $1.50 death candle right there. Look at that fake out right here. They rounded it out. They made it look like it was going to surge up over the VWAP. From 1025, it ripped up to 1085. And then they took the floor out. And this stock surged all the way down to $9. $2 death candles on this. Look at all that. That's scary. So going into this day, be cautious. Be cautious. Because all you got to do is look back at the past and get an idea of the stock's personality and what it likes to do. So all kinds of people right here are going to jump in here at 12 and hope and anticipate for it to break up higher. And the stock has a death candle down to $10 or something. So be careful with that. If you guys are just tuning into this recap, go back to the beginning and watch from the beginning. We've been dropping just knowledge bombs left and right. Just straight fire. Pretty much everybody killed it in chat today. They all made their money. They're kicking back, relaxing. Now they don't have to force plays and linger around in the market. Remember, the more time you spend in the market, the more you put yourself at risk. I'm about done for the day. I made my money. Up 8,000 to start the week. That's a good start to the week. We still have 4 days left of trading. So now I've built myself a cushion. Now I can build up off this cushion for the rest of the week. I don't have to force trades, chase after stocks. I can be patient, let setups come to me. And it all comes down to picking up that easy money off the floor. That's what trading is. Trading should be effortless, like walking over to the other side of the room and picking up money off of the ground. AFIN 3,000. What else we trade? CLVS made just over 1,000 on this. IMTE made a lousy $224 on that, but I'll take it. OCG, just by following TKAT, $355. And TKAT, made just over 3,000 on this with 2,000 shares. Traded this area right here. Nice pullback. Gears up at 35. Nice lift all the way up to 38. High of day. TKAT is still in play. You scroll out and look at the big picture. Past 5 days, if it will let me. 5 day, 5 minute. Seen this had a nice tight pullback right here to that mental $25. From there, it perked up, holds back, held 25 area as support, blast off. Still got extreme volume pushing into it too. So this thing, it may possibly see $50. It could. We'll just take it a day at a time. All right, guys. Up 8K for the day. I'm about done. I'm going to enjoy the rest of my day. You guys stay safe in chat. Great job. Make sure you guys tune in tomorrow for the pre-market chat. Wolfpack Ultimate Pass. If you guys are interested joining the Wolfpack, head on over to the YouTube channel, Trading Learning 101. Sign up. Click the join button right here. Get an intro video. You get either the Discord chat room for $20 or the Wolfpack Ultimate Pass for $50. And the Wolfpack Ultimate Pass, I'm telling you guys, it's jammed, packed, filled with perks. Includes all perks from the Discord only chat. You get the day trading masterclass, member only videos on demand, premium Discord chat room. We trade live on Fridays. We do a pre-market prep every single day for a half hour. Be safe out there, guys. I would not chase after JFIN. That thing is just a